How did you first understand that you are undergoing the hair fall?
It was terrible. The worst part was I was not looking into mirror. I realized that a person who used to click so many photos stopped clicking photos.
So your creative side was slightly overlooked because of the hair loss and the obesity.
Yeah, because hair loss was not just the hair loss. When you go for a weight loss program, you lose more hair. So that was surprising because I actually got into little shape, but I lost my hair. I still remember those days when some person wanted to see me as a patient there because they had a fear, and I was just sitting in the cabin with this big box of ice cream you ordered, and this guy is asking me, hey, I want to meet the patient, can you tell me where is he? And I was like, you're talking to that one. It's not just how you do the transplant, but how you make the people feel. One thing about Dr. Abhishek, once the procedure was done, he comes and keeps a hand on my shoulder and is like, "Is saal to shaadi ho jayegi." And you won't believe that very year I spoke to my wife first time.
So it took how many months to see the results?
Around 6 months to 8 months. Guys, this is not a treatment, this is an art, because such fine thing happening and we don't even come to know. Like, unless I saw my photo and video, I didn't even know what was going on my head.